Hello YouTube viewers, I hope you're doing good. My name is Nawaz and you're watching my YouTube channel. Okay, so we have created our free tier account, then we have created an admin user. The next thing we're going to do is we will create a billing alert for our account so that it will notify us whenever a certain threshold is crossed. So for that you need to log into your root account. Make sure you have logged into your root account and then go to services, search for billing. So this is your billing dashboard. Here you can say how much money you have used. You can change this currency in your my account settings here. Beautiful graph. Go to billing preferences. Here you click this receive free tier usage alert. We are interested in this option. Receive PDF invoice by email. You can also use an alternative email. Let's say, so this is my another recipient which will receive the email about the incurring charges. Receive billing alerts. Cool, it's ticked. Okay, so the billing alert is managed by something called CloudWatch. CloudWatch is nothing but a cloud monitoring service. You can go there by clicking to this link, or you can also search CloudWatch. Go to CloudWatch. It is nothing but a simple cloud monitoring service. This is your CloudWatch dashboard. My internet is too slow. It's saying insufficient alarm and okay. So here go to billing. Here you can see billing alarms, create alarm. There is no alarm currently created, so let's create one. Create alarm. Metric name, estimated charges, currency. I want to change it to INR. You can change it to whatever you like according to your country. Threshold type, static. Whenever estimated charges is greater than, let's say, 100 rupees, then we want this alarm. Additional configuration, nothing too fancy. Next. Okay, so the concept here is it's saying select an existing SNS topic or create a new topic. So what is a topic? Basically you create a topic and then you add endpoints to it, like the recipients subscribe to that topic, and whoever is subscribed to that topic, they will receive the email or the notification. So create a new topic. Let's call this topic as my billing alert. Email endpoints, you can add email, let's say NXZ, the Linux guy @gmail.com. You can also add notification. So for now, let's create this topic. Create topic. You can also add notification, but for now, let's skip this part. So the topic has been created. We have selected this topic. Next, alarm name, billing alarm. Alert me whenever the threshold crosses 100 rupees. Cool. Description, alarm name. Click next. So here you can see this is our threshold exactly at 100 rupees. So whenever our resources which we are using, it exceeds this threshold, it will send us an email to the subscribed topics we have subscribed. So nothing fancy. Create alarm. So when you create an alarm, it will not be activated. Here you can see that it's saying pending confirmation. So it will send an email to your account, which Gmail account you have given or any email account. You have to go and subscribe to this topic, and after that you will receive the alarm. I will subscribe to this topic and continue. So as you can see, the action is pending confirmation. We have to confirm it via email. So I have logged into my email ID. Here you can say I have received an email from AWS notification, confirm subscription. If you click it, after that you can be able to get the email via this link. So you have subscribed to the topic. Cool. If I try to reload, cool, the pending confirmation is gone. We have confirmed our subscription. So after this, whenever our billing, if I go to my dashboard, you can see one billing alert is created, and whenever the estimated charges is greater than 100 rupees, it will send us email and notify us about that. Cool. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Catch you guys in my next video. Take care.